In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook error code 53003 and explain exactly why this error happens, what it means, and what you can realistically do to resolve it. This is a very common Outlook login error, especially for work or school accounts, and it often catches people off guard because it looks like something is broken on your computer when in reality, it's usually a security policy issue. I'll walk you through the user-side fixes you can try, and I'll also explain when this issue needs to be handled by your IT administrator. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Error code 53003 in Outlook is typically related to Microsoft Azure Active Directory Conditional Access policies. In simple terms, your organization has security rules in place that control how and where you're allowed to sign in. If Outlook detects that your login doesn't meet those rules, access gets blocked and you see this error. Common reasons include signing in from an unauthorized location, using a device that isn't marked as compliant, missing required security settings, or being outside your company's approved network. In many cases, the final fix has to be done by your IT admin, but there are still a few things you can try on your end before contacting support. First, let's go through repairing Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft 365, which is one of the easiest things you can do if you have an active Microsoft 365 subscription. On your Windows computer, open Settings, then go to Apps and select Installed Apps. Scroll down the list until you find Microsoft 365. Click on the three dots next to it, choose Modify, and then select Quick Repair. This will scan your Office installation and fix common issues without removing your data. Let the repair process finish, then restart your computer and try opening Outlook again. In many cases, this alone can clear up local authentication or app-related problems. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes cause authentication checks to fail, especially when security policies are involved. If you're working remotely or traveling, this becomes even more important. One very common cause of error 53003 is logging in from a new or restricted location. If your company uses location-based access rules, your current IP address might be blocked. In this case, connecting to your company's VPN can often resolve the issue instantly. Turn on your corporate VPN, wait for it to fully connect, and then try signing into Outlook again. This makes it look like you're accessing Outlook from an approved network location. If you're seeing this error specifically in Outlook on the web, there's another quick fix you can try. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve sign-in problems caused by corrupted session data. To do this, open your browser, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and go to Settings. From there, open Privacy and Security, then select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are checked, then clear the data. Close your browser completely, reopen it, and try signing into Outlook on the web again. Now, it's important to set expectations here. If none of these steps work, the issue is very likely on the administrative side. Your IT administrator may need to review Azure Active Directory sign-in logs, adjust conditional access policies, approve your device, or whitelist your location. If you're using a work or school account, reach out to your IT support team and mention Outlook error code 53003 specifically. That will help them identify the issue faster. And that's how you fix Outlook error code 53003, or at least narrow it down to the exact cause. If this video saved you time or helped you understand the issue better, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.